Chapter 2.1, Inclined Support. We're going to go here, File, New Design, and our units are inches. So we're good here. I don't have to make any changes. I'm going to go to Sketch. I'm going to choose this plane and Line Command. Enter. .5 enter. We'll come back here. 0.25 enter. Got to redo that, it drifted on me. Line. 0.25 enter. Line. 0.75 enter. Line command. 0.5 enter. Line command. 0.75 enter. Line command again. 0.5 enter. And the rest of this I'm going to draw it as it looks and then dimension it. I'm going to come here, and I know that's 1, so I can hit enter. Then I'm going to connect this to here, and I'm going to go to my dimension command and pick this corner, that corner, and I'm going to make that 0.75 enter. And next I want to check my overall height, which will be from here to here. We want that to be 2. Okay, now all I have left is the hole in the middle. So I'm going to go circle. I'm just going to choose any spot here. 1 enter. Then I'm going to dimension from the bottom to the center. 1, then enter. And then from this side to the center should be 1 and enter. And later you will probably want to straighten these dimensions up a bit where you can see what's actually happening here. Finish sketch. Let's go to extrude. Choose that circle. Well, actually, let me do one other thing here. Go to extrude, choose this, and it is a 1/2 inch thick, so we can type in 0.5 enter. And that would be chapter 2.1.